I'm trying to paddle with one hand. I'm not sure what that pile of white stuff, if that's salt for the winter or if that's limestone. That's a huge coal dock over on that side. That's Wisconsin. And there's that railroad bridge. There are quite a few coal trains and other type of traffic that go across that trestle. That thing rotates to allow the ships to go through. There's not too many big boats that head that far anymore, I don't believe. Just beyond that is Riverside, and so I don't think any of the big ore boats really go past there anymore. And I'm going to head in that direction. It's Grassy Point, kind of a nature preserve. And I'm going to head over that way.